So dear friends, now it is time to discuss about the living organisms based on their food habits. Means we have grouped the living organisms on their food styles or fooding habits. So number one, autotrophs means whole living organisms can be classified into two groups. One, autotrophs, and number two, you can write heterotrophs. Spelling you can see AUTOTROPHs. Autotrophs, heterotrophs, HETEROTROPH. Yes, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Means auto means exactly the green plants which can manufacture their own food. Means in the ecosystem, means in our ecosystem, green plants are considered as producers because they are capable or able to synthesize food because they have green pigment known as chlorophyll. Because तुम लोग देखा होगा कि हम लोग के आसपास बहुत सारा पेड़ पौधा होते हैं और वो हरा टाइप का रहते हैं, मीन्स ग्रीन इन कलर, मीन्स दे कैन ट्रैप द सन एनर्जी को पकड़ सकता है, एब्जॉर्ब कर सकता है और उससे रिएक्शन करवा लेता है। मीन्स वाटर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कंबाइन हो जाता है और उसी से वो ग्लूकोज बनता है। ग्लूकोज मीन्स एग्जैक्टली फूड तो बनाता है और वो खुद से ही अपने लिए यूज करता है और उसके बाद जो बचता है जैसे रेस्ट, दे आर स्टोर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च एंड दिस स्टार्च इज द फूड सोर्सेस फॉर animals who depend upon the plants directly. So autotrophs means those living beings, especially the green plants, all the green plants can prepare their food by themselves by the process of photosynthesis. Means green plant में जो process होता है food making process, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं photosynthesis, are called autotrophs. So they are called producers of the ecosystem also. मतलब autotrophs को producer बोला जाता है हम लोग के ecosystem because they are only on which animals are dependent either directly or indirectly. Means entire animals, they are dependent on the green plants directly or indirectly. What is meaning of directly and indirectly? Suppose deer, they do not take the meat or the flesh of any animals. Means they depend upon the green grasses, that is the directly dependency. But when lion eats deer, means it is indirectly dependence of the lion on the green grasses. Green grass है तो deer है तो lion है. यदि grass नहीं रहता green grass, चाहे मे भी plants, then deer मर जाएगा, means खत्म हो जाएगा. No deer, if no deer means no lion. So in that sense, you have to write all the animals, they depend upon the autotrophs or the plants directly and indirectly, right? Now next topic, it is the heterotrophs. Means we animal groups, they depend directly or indirectly on the plants for food. हम लोग food के लिए कि तो plants को directly लेते हैं, नहीं तो indirectly way में भी हम लोग उससे energy withdraw करते हैं, तो उसको हम लोग यहाँ पे क्लासीफाई कर सकते हैं ना हेटेरोट्रॉफ्स ग्रुप में. तो यहाँ पे डेफिनेशन से those organisms, especially all living beings, cannot manufacture their own food, rather they are directly or indirectly dependent on the plants, are called heterotrophs. Means they don't have chlorophyll. Have you seen any animals having the green pigment chlorophyll? Chlorophyll नहीं तो photosynthesis नहीं. Means we don't have chlorophyll, so we cannot take part in photosynthesis. So we cannot manufacture the glucose that only green plants can manufacture. As a result, we have to depend upon the green plants directly and indirectly. So they do not have chlorophyll. Means heterotrophs do not have chlorophyll. Means that is the green pigment. Chlorophyll को क्या बोला जाता है? Green pigment. Chlorophyll के वजह से leaves green in color दिखाई पड़ता है and that traps sun's energy. उसका काम, chlorophyll का काम क्या है? To trap the sun energy and help to combine water means H2O and carbon dioxide means CO2 to produce glucose. तो इसका रिएक्शन तुम लोग लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे, जैसे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मीन्स CO2 एंड वाटर मीन्स H2O. यहाँ पे लिखना है सनलाइट मीन्स सनलाइट होना है और क्लोरोफिल मीन्स ग्रीन पिगमेंट, ये दोनों प्रेजेंस होना है. इससे अब क्या बनता है? ग्लूकोज C6H12. Remember C6H12O6 plus oxygen means हम लोग ऑक्सीजन भी प्लांट से ही लेते हैं. मीन्स when there is photosynthesis process, means plant, means autotrophs, they combine the CO2 and water to produce the glucose. Glucose means यही हम लोग का food है, and along with the glucose they release the free oxygen in the nature or in the atmosphere, and this oxygen is used by the animals also. Means this is all about the autotrophs and the heterotrophs. Means here is the definition. An example, you can collect all the green plants, and heterotroph means all the entire animals who depend upon the autotrophs.